What's going on, guys? Finally, we have the Outlaw. I'm just gonna do a quick overview. The car is not done, but it's good enough that I can show you exactly what's going on. So I'm gonna dive right into it. But first, let's take a look at how damn good this 69 Camaro body looks. I think it looks sweet. It's not done, it's not fully trimmed yet. I'm gonna probably push this out more, have it slope a little bit more. I obviously have to trim the body. It is sitting completely on the ground, but I want to slam it as close as possible to the ground and get as much aero. I have to add carbon braces, but so far the body turned out absolutely sick. So it's a 69 Camaro by Andes, as well as a called wing rear wing with the center support. I have to adjust this, I have to put carbon fiber braces, but let's get under this body and I'll show you what's actually going on with the Outlaw. So what's underneath the body is a 26 Drag Race Concepts Maverick, brand new, 26 year. This thing is sick. Everything about it just screams speed to me. This is gonna be a hell of a lot of fun. It's super low, it's flexible. It has the brand new lay down transmission. So there's a 52 tooth idler gear, I believe. Bigger gears, more durability, and it's closer down to the ground. You can fit bigger gears essentially, and it screams apparently. So this transmission is a huge upgrade compared to the 24. So that's why I went with a 26 initially. They also have a brand new wheelie bar. So I had to tape it because this guy's a little bit tight, but nothing is set yet. These are Accelerate red dots with the purple Pro foams. Same as Accelerate front, Super V rims on both. I think they look sick. They're extremely light. I'm super surprised how light they are. As well, we are going with the big dog. Excuse the mess, I still have to wire it up. It's late at night. I'm just getting this thing dialed in, taking my time. But this is the Cobra 8 Ace from Castle. Big dog, zero limits. This thing should be sick with the Ghost 7000 kV. So looking to run about the 100 to 106 on the 20 to 26 gearing. Somewhere between a 9.5 to 11 final drive. We also put a cat pack on it. So Morbo makes cat packs that install right onto the Cobra. So I got the Morbo cat pack. It's a Morbo little rubber stoppers. Just so my battery sits on there. I will be getting a new battery. I have to put it in order, but I'm looking at SMC for that. Big dog battery, lots of power, proven results. So I'm going with that. I got my 299 LP Reef Servo. Super smooth, super dialed, nice and low profile, it's fast. It's everything that I want for this car. I want it to feel good. I want it to feel like a pro mod. That's exactly how I'm gonna treat this car. So that servo, perfect match. This suspension, I am super considering dropping this suspension or buying another set and putting it in the VXL car. This is super nice. They are titanium nitride coated shock shafts. Everything is metal, extended bottoms. The springs are nice, the collars are nice. These are gasketed collars, so they won't slip. Talking to the pros, actually Edison, I have to shout you out, bro. He is very qualified. He's a very fast guy. He's helped me through this whole thing. So I cannot say enough good things about Edison, bro. He's awesome. I mean, helped me every single step of the way, everything on here. Whether I text him late at night, whatever, he's always willing to help. So thank you so much, man. That means so much to me. But everything about this car, large carbon fiber servo arm, titanium turnbuckles, everything is so sick. Running 1 million in the rear diff. I'm not going to tell you my shock weights right now. I'll get into it later. Right now, we're working on it, but that's the car this year. So as well, I've kind of hinted at it. If you are in my community and you see my posts all the time, if you're not, get subscribed because I make posts all the time, shorts, everything. But some people have seen that I am now running the Noble NB4. This is the older version, but I'm going to try it out on this car, the X-Max, the UDR, everything that I can. So I'm switching over remotes, and that's gonna be powering this guy. So hopefully everything goes good, but it's gonna be a journey. I wanna treat this car exactly like a pro mod. This car is my baby, so you know, this car really means a lot to me, and just the experience of building it and learning how to get a car like this and everything. You know, there's a lot that goes into these cars. Just building it was a super fun experience, so I would highly recommend it. But man, the learning that you have to do with these cars, and that's why I want to treat it like it's a pro mod. I'm obsessed with it. This thing is so sick. So I hope you guys enjoy. This is just a sneak peek. We're gonna get into the full drive, but I gotta get some more parts. Once I get it all, you're gonna see this thing hopefully hit some crazy fast passes. The fastest pass I've ever hit will be with this car 100%. So thank you so much, guys. Make sure you're subscribed, because we have the Outlaw, and we got the Pro Stock, we got the UDR. I also have a little surprise coming in February. That thing is gonna be sick. So let's see what this thing can do for the summer. Man, I'm obsessed with this body. Looks so sick. Anyways, make sure you subscribe and have a great night, guys.